edge of the Badlands. Good morning from our boho bus. I pulled the long straw and I get to drive the first 100 miles of the day. It's a beautiful day heading west, and we have just about a 3-hour ride all on Interstate 94 to Bridgman, Michigan,
where we'll be staying at the Haymarket Tap Room, and we're excited because we're meeting some friends, RV friends from Florida, and we're going to have a great night together.
Absolutely. Come share our adventure. We arrived early afternoon. The timing couldn't be more perfect, as our friends pulled in just minutes after us. After getting settled and saying hi to Susie and Pat's adorable dachshunds, we headed out to play some friendly pickleball. Oh no. And then we headed back to Haymarket Brewery and Tap Room. It was a really fun place with a good beer list and great wood-fired pizza. And spending time with friends we hadn't seen in quite a while was just so much fun. Living the RV life has blessed us with so many good times and meeting so many great people from across the country. It was sad to say goodbye after such a short time, but we'll be seeing them real soon again in Florida. Here we go, leaving Haymarket Tap Room. We had a wonderful time with our friends, and because of a truck blocking the front entrance, we got to go out this way through the trees. Wish us luck. Stay with us as we move on to the Chicago area to meet up with some more friends.
Please like our videos and subscribe if you haven't already.
And keep following our adventures.